Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Mark. And in today's video, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Cosita dimension. That's right, guys, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Cosita dimension. I just hope when we make it inside this absolutely amazing dimension, we can dance with Cosita, guys, and maybe he can even make us the best dancer ever, guys. Like, I've always wanted to dance with this guy, and I also always wanted him to live in my house. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 20 lime wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground, just like that. Then you're going to need fur white wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your lime wool, just like that, right there, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on up, grab your lime wool, and place 5 of these on this side with 1 white wool right on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down. Son of an alien, that hurt. Now you just want to go ahead and place 5 lime wool on this side, and then 5 lime wool right in the middle, guys. Smack dab right in the middle, and then 1 white wool on the edge, guys. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to whip out your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the Cosita dimension. I bet this dimension is going to be absolutely amazing, guys. And oh my god, here we are, guys. Wow, there is a lot of Cositas in this dimension, guys. You know what? I bet I could find a friend in this dimension. Do you want to be my friend? I think he does, guys. I think he wants to teach me how to dance. More importantly, I think he wants to teach my pig how to dance, guys. Do you want to teach my pig how to dance? What? He's unteachable? Oh my god, he don't want to teach my pig how to dance. I am so sorry, pig. Wow, I cannot believe that, guys. I cannot believe he don't want to teach my pig how to dance. But wow, guys, this place is amazing. And there's a lot of Cositas in this dimension. So if you mess up with me, I'll find another one. Believe me, I will find another one. But you know what? I want to take you to my planet. I want to take you to my planet up in the sky. And I want to pack you into my house, put you in my closet, and then pull you out when I want to, like, dance with you. I want to watch TV with you. I want you to drive me around. I want to eat pizza with you. Like, I could pull you out for all those special occasions. Like, you know, whenever I want to dance. Oh, my God. Where did he go? Oh, my God. He just left me, guys. Obviously, he didn't want to be best friends forever, guys. Oh my god, I cannot believe that, guys. I cannot believe he just left me. That is so crazy, guys. That is so crazy. But I will find another one. Do you want to be my friend? No? Okay. I'll leave you alone. You know what? I think this guy wants to be my best friend. Do you want to be my best friend? Do you want to go to my planet? And do you want to eat pizza with me? Oh my god, I'm not letting this one get away. I am not letting this one get away. I'm building a rocket, and I'm sending you off. I don't care what you say. Your mom already told me I can take you to my planet, so I'm taking you to my planet. Oh my god, don't leave me. Please don't leave me. Oh my god, another one's leaving me. Really? Really, you're going to do this to me? I'm going to tell your mom. I'm going to tell your mom that you're being mean to me right now, and you don't want to go to my planet. You know what? Forget him. Forget you. You know what? I am going to tell your mom, though. I definitely am going to tell his mom because he's being a big meanie and he's making me angry. Ain't that right, guys? Yeah, he was totally in the wrong. You know what? I'm going to get another friend, guys. You know what? I think this guy's good. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to send him to my planet. And you know, all the rest of these guys that didn't want to be my friend, they're going to be so jealous of you. They're going to be so envious of you, so angry that you made it to my planet and you're hanging out with me and you's BFFs. You know what? they're probably going to try to call me up later. And they're probably going to try to tell me, like, you know what, Smooth Marky? I want to be your friend. I want to come to your planet. But I'm going to tell them no, because I already have an alien friend. And he's already in my house, at my planet, up in the sky. So they're not going to be able to come over, because I'm just going to tell them I'm a one kind of friend guy, and one kind of alien friend guy, that is. And I only have one alien in my life. And that's just it. That's just it. Just one alien. That's what I'm going to have to tell them, guys. But let's go ahead and let's build this awesome rocket and send this guy to my planet. This rocket's going to be so amazing and so huge. You're definitely going to make it to my planet. And you know, I'm probably going to take you to school, and I'm probably going to eat pizza with you and hang out with you. And if you like Lunchables, I'm not for sure if aliens like Lunchables, but if he likes Lunchables, we can even eat Lunchables together, guys, because I really want this friendship to work out, guys. I really need this friendship to work out. So let's just go ahead and finish building this rocket, guys. I'm going to make this rocket so nice, guys. This is going to be the best TNT rocket I've ever made. Let's go ahead and let's break these TNTs off, guys, because I don't want no extra TNT on this rocket. You know what I need to do though, guys? I need to make a stand, so I'm actually going to go ahead and block this in around the bottom of the rocket, just so the rocket don't tip over as it's about to fly up into the sky. But you know what, guys? I think that's a nice rocket. That's one of the best rockets I've ever made. And you know what? All of you guys are going to be jealous once he goes. Once he goes, especially you. Every single one of you guys are going to be jealous when he goes to my planet and me and him's eating Lunchables together. So don't call me. Don't call him. You know what? We're going to be besties. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and like this. And now he's about to go to my planet, guys. Watch this. This is going to be so epic. Oh, my God. Whoa. Oh, my God. That was a massive rocket takeoff. Wow. He must be living it up in my planet right now, guys. Wow. I cannot wait to go up to my planet and meet him, guys. Wow, that rocket really took off. That rocket really took off, guys. Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. And you know what? You're going to be so jealous. You're going to be, especially you, because you was the first one I came to. So you're going to be really, really jealous when me and that alien's friends on my planet. He's going to be so angry, guys. He's going to be so mad when I'm showing my alien friend off to all my other friends. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.